In this video, I will guide you how to crop the image in MS Word. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the picture and select the picture from your computer. So make sure cropping an image in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process, but there are several pro ways to do it beyond a basic rectangular cut, such as cropping specific shape or aspect ratio. So click on the picture you want to edit. The picture format tab will appear on the top of the ribbon. Click on that and click on the crop button in the size group on the far right. You will see black cropping handles on the corner edges. Click and drag these handles inward to the parts of the image, like this one. So click outside the image to apply the crop. So if you want your image to appear as a circle, heart, arrow, you can mask it into any shape. So select the image and go to the picture format again and click on the arrow directly to the crop and click to the crop to the shape. So hover your mouse to the basic shapes and here is the oval shape, like this one. So Word will automatically fit the image into that shape. If you want to crop a specific aspect ratio for this, again click on the picture format, click on the crop and click on the aspect ratio and click on the portrait or landscape, whatever you need is 3:4 and here it is, and click outside and here you can see that. So this way you can easily crop the image in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.